Look at Chico. He's underneath. He's
What man so lazy?
That's not your mama.
Get up.
That's not the point. He's getting goofy. Look. Is it funny?
What, Daddy?
You get stepped on if you don't move around,
What,
dude.
Daddy? Huh?
Look at it bite. Can't even put his mouth
They
open.
got some teeth.
Yeah, but they can't even open them out of them because they're trying to bite.
Chico.
Chico could care less.
Man, mine, you know, while they were sleeping, he will bite my ear like crazy.
Who's that, Chico?
Mine.
No,
Yours?
Yes.
His.
He grabbed and pulled, and grabbed and pulled. I was like, ah!
Look how they do it there. Look. They goofy, yeah. They're so black.
They look like angels.
Yep.
Look at it.
I hope they're small
They
like
give
the
him
Chihuahua.
they give him a
But
good toy.
I love their color.
The Chico just lay there, let them fight. Let them beat them up. Oh yeah, now you didn't come joining it, huh? Look at they don't make no noise.
Oh, now they are.
Oh, here, heard her growl. Yeah. Okay, Angel, by the way.
Angel.
He just gonna grab him by the tail and else moves the tail.
Oh, he got him. He's got his whole head. It's goofy, yeah. Well, tell him to bite him on the ass.